Welcome to Fire Engineering Training Minutes. My name is Eric Dreiman. I'm a Battalion Chief with the Indianapolis Fire Department, and today we're going to cover proper window selection for vent inner search. When you arrive on the scene of a fire, you're going to have to look at the fire conditions you're presented with, the smoke conditions, the building construction itself, and look at the windows to try and identify where you think the highest life hazard is going to be located. When we do this, we need to take into consideration a couple of things. If we're going to be entering a first floor window, we're going to need a different set of tools and mindset than we are if we're going to be entering from a second floor window. First floor window, we're going to need to, in many instances, use some sort of tool to prop ourselves up to get into the window. We could also use our partner's knee or our partner's hands. You can get down and help the entry firefighter get a boost up into a window if it's a little high, like this window is. For a second floor window, we need to make sure that we've got enough ladder with us in order to reach that window and have the ladder set at the proper angle. Many times, if we just ladder conventionally, put the ladder at a 70-degree angle like we're used to, that's going to be too steep for us to bring a victim down, particularly if they're a large victim. So it's important to understand you're probably going to need a little bit longer ladder in order to perform VES than you would traditionally to, say, just ladder a window if you were just going up there to take the glass or something like that. Once we've done all of those things, then it would be time to transition and actually move into setting the ladder. We're going to use the second floor window here as an example. So let's take a look at what that would look like. Once you recognize the need for vent inner search, you're going to have to decide on what ladders and other equipment you're going to need in order to perform the task. In this case, we're going to a second floor window here on this burn building, so the two firefighters who are going to perform the VES have selected an extension ladder with enough length to not only get them to the base of the sill, but also to provide that rescue angle that we're looking for. So in the event that we do find a victim, or if the searching firefighter needs to exit the room very quickly, you'll have that shallower angle to help you manage the situation better. Once you've got the ladder set, notice we didn't put it through the window in this situation. The reason being is because of the added influence with flow path and the importance of isolating and minimizing the flow path once we do take the glass. Today we covered how to properly select a window for VES. You saw how we threw the ladder to the second floor and how we made sure that we had the proper ladder angle and ladder tip placement to the window in order to perform this task. I'm Eric Dreiman, and thanks for watching Fire Engineering's Training Minutes.